Hi everyone, Joe Gentili. In this video, I want to go through when should somebody contact an attorney regarding their life insurance policy. Life insurance is a really unique asset class and it's pretty complicated. So most lay people, if you don't live in life insurance every day, it's going to be really difficult to spot whether everything is going as it should be going and everything's going as it was represented. So sometimes it helps if you just really think that there may be a problem with it, if you have a suspicion that um, the way the policy was sold to you, that the agent misrepresented some things to you in the process. If you feel like that, or the policy is just not performing the way you thought it would, or a whole host of things. You can get a notice saying that there's an increase in premium on your policy, or you think the trustee hasn't been paying attention. A whole host of things that could happen with a life insurance policy that'll just kind of raise a little bit of a concern, a red flag that maybe something is amiss. It's going to be really hard to evaluate that on your own as to whether there's a legal claim there or not, or anything a lawyer can do to help with it. So I would suggest at that juncture to reach out to an attorney, and preferably an attorney that has experience with life insurance matters, because as I said, it's a unique asset class. It takes a while to learn how life insurance really works. So you're going to want to consult with an attorney that's been there before and spent a lot of time familiarizing themselves with life insurance. So I can give you an example. I've had a number of people reach out to me as an attorney over the years where they've gotten these notices for increased premiums on their life insurance policy that they were paying. I'm going to make up a number. They were paying $2,000 a year in premium, and all of a sudden, the insurance company is asking them for $6,000 for their next premium payment, and they don't know why. So, to a layperson, that looks like a really big increase in what they're asking for. They're not exactly sure why this is happening. But if you go to an attorney and one that's well versed in life insurance, like I happen to be, I can see after looking at it that there were some folks that we were able to help. We were able to help them by filing lawsuits against the insurance companies because we thought that there were grounds that the premium or the premium that they were asking for was not allowed. That increase was not allowed by the terms of the policy. And so we were able to help folks in that situation and help them get some money back. Whereas in other situations, the policies were appeared to just have been mismanaged, that nobody was really paying attention to the policies and they ran out of cash value. And that's why the premium went up. And the life insurance company was not doing anything outside of the bounds of the policy. And if there was a trustee involved in that situation, then maybe there'd be a claim against the trustee for breaching their fiduciary duty and not keeping an eye on it. But in instances where there were no trustees involved, there really wasn't much we can do legally. So my point is this: not every situation where something is going awry with a life insurance policy is a lawsuit or something that can be solved by an attorney, but sometimes it can be, and you're going to want to know that, so you can make an informed decision as to what to do, what your particular situation, what's best for you and your family. So I would say most attorneys like myself that work on these types of cases, we do handle these cases on a contingency basis. So usually there's no charge to have an attorney review the situation and see if you in fact have any possible legal claims to consider. So I suggest that if you see any red flags or you just think something is kind of suspicious or something doesn't seem to line up with what you were told previously, have an attorney look at it. It's worth the effort. This way you could at least make an informed decision at that point as to what to do with the policy or what to do with the situation. Any questions? Please feel free to reach out. And if you found this video helpful, I really encourage you to like and subscribe for future ones. Thanks.